Can you just grab it for me?
Time,
No, I just really need help.
I knew it!
Ouch!
Cleared it so much that people have put on their scarves and their hats and their big coats, and we've seen a couple of people walking down the street now that they've been plowed. We've seen a couple of people jogging down the street, and they are on the street because.
Дурной, что он делает?
Oh my God. Dog's gonna kill you.
Yay, Johnny! Oh, shy, that was good.
You said high five, dude!
There's the halibut. What's the halibut think of this whole deal? Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Yeah, leave it there. Leave it there. 2, 3.
Yeah, guys, not quite as many people along the sidewalk here, but just as many cars as we've seen all night. Take a look over here. It's really a parade, a celebration.
And with the train approaching, the crowd took their positions, readied themselves, and then let it all hang out. And while the show may have been over in a...
Нормально прилетело.
Приедешь в город Ярцево, такой, нахуй видишь все.
Felt 8 miles high, I told my mind on a jagged sky. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, on l'a voulu, on l'a eu. Faites gaffe, il y a un autre qui a prenez la revanche. Sinon moi je partais.
Hey, le sac est rentré carrément dans la gare maritime. Le sac de ciment. Attention.
Mais où tu vas aller? Je sais pas, mais il faut qu'on parte.